wire nuts. We got outlet boxes. We got a hammer.
You don't need a drill.
We got a drill for the Phillips. We've got outlets.
You don't need drills.
We've got another outlet box. There's going to be one there. There's going to be one there. We got a Big Daddy drill. We got outlet covers. We got cable straps if we need them. And we got a nice drill. That's what we're going to use to drill all the big holes. Big Daddy drill. Right? To speed up mounting the camera and to make life easy, I'm going to mount the camera to the post before I go up on the ladder. So the way I do that is I get this tight, and this here is called a jam nut. You'll see how that works. So I'll just screw this on until it bottoms out. So I got that nice and tight, and what you do is you spin this jam nut up, and there's a little Teflon or rubber or something washer to keep this from coming loose. You get that nice and tight. That'll keep it from coming off. Now that I have the post mounted, for the ease of drilling, you can. I was playing with this the other night over coffee, and this comes out. And so what I'll do is I'll mount this to the house, and then I'll just lift this up and attach it. Piece of cake. On the wood part of the house, I just used the screws that came with the cameras. On the soffit part, which is metal, I'm just going to use some sheet metal screws. So to attach this on the wood, I'm going to drill a 1/16 inch pilot hole. Then I'm going to use a Phillips bit to drive the screw that came with it. And then I'll do it 2 more times. Then I'm going to use a 1/2 inch drill bit to drill the hole through the house so that this plug can fit. And I already measured, and this is... The second one is mounting on a metal socket. So instead of using the wood screw, which is a Phillips head, I'm going to use these self-tapping sheet metal screws. And I'm just going to use a 1/4 inch driver. So sometimes these don't bite, so you have to drill a pilot hole. So I will take a 1/16 drill bit up there for me just in case I need it. The trick here for me is to not go up and down the ladder 5,000 times. I'm also taking a marker. So this is everything I need right here. I need 3 screws, so I'm going to take 5 because inevitably you drop one. So I'll take that with me, plus the camera, plus the mount, my tube of 100% silicone caulk. It doesn't matter what it is. If it's 100% silicone, that's all you need. This cost me $5 at the hardware store.